Dear students, in this video I am going to start unit 1, that is relations and functions. First of all, so you already studied about the relations and functions in class 11th. Here in second PUC it is a continued part. Now before we are going to define relation, so we have to understand some concepts. First one, ordered pair. Ordered pair means if two elements are listed in a specific order in a bracket is called ordered pair. See here A and B. A is the first element, B is the second element. These elements are listed in a bracket. Such pair is called as a ordered pair. A is the first element, B is the second element. Now Cartesian product. So let A and B any two non-empty sets. The set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Here A element A belongs to A, first element belongs to set A, second element B belongs to set B, when A and B are the non-empty sets, is called the Cartesian product of sets A and B. It is denoted by A cross B. Let we have the set A is equals to 2, 3, 4 and B is equals to 4, 9, 16. So now we have to write the Cartesian product set of ordered pairs 2, 4, 2, 9, 2, 16. Similarly 3, 4, 3, 9, 3, 16, 4, 4, 4, 9, 4, 16. All these are listed here like this. Okay, these are the ordered pairs. Now it is the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is nothing but it is the set of ordered pairs. Here it is a set of ordered pairs. Now we can define the definition of relation. A relation is the subset of a Cartesian product. Let relation R, the relation is represented by the capital R. So here it is in the form of a set-builder form. AB, B is the square of A, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So we have to convert this set-builder form into roster form according to the rule here. B is the square of A. So find out which pair obeys the condition here. B is the square of A. So here B is 4, A is 2. So 4 is the square of 2. Hence it obeys the condition. Hence we have to write here 2, 4. Similarly 2, 9. It does not obey because 9 is not square of 2. 16 is not square of 2. Similarly 4 is not square of 3. But here 9 is the square of 3. Hence it obeys the condition. Hence we have to pick up here. So 3, 9. And 16 is the not square of 3. 4 is not square of 4. 9 is not square of 4. But 16 is the square of 4. Hence we have to write 416 in the relation R. So this is set-builder form, this is roster form. So according to the rule, we are written the relation R 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. See here, all these ordered pairs are taken from the Cartesian product A cross B. Hence, a relation is the subset of a Cartesian product. The ordered pairs in R are taken from the Cartesian product. Hence, R is the subset of A cross B. Hence, according to the definition, a relation is the subset of a Cartesian product. Now, we are going to study the types of relations. First relation, empty relation. A relation R in a set A is called empty relation if no element of A is related to any element of A, or that is R is equals to phi. Phi is nothing but it is a Greek alphabet phi pi. It is represented by the symbol like this. This is pi pi, but this is phi pi. It is used to denote the empty set. So empty set is the subset of a Cartesian product. Here phi is the empty relation. Okay. Now we have to consider example for the empty relation. Empty relation. Let A is equals to 2, 3, 4. So we have to write this set again here for the easier calculation 2, 3, 4. So when you write the Cartesian product 2, 2, like this: 2 3, 2 4, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, and similarly 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. This is the Cartesian product. Now the relation R, according to the Shet-Wildrer form, we have to convert into roster form. See here what happens here. Let A be such that B is the cube of A. A belongs to A, B belongs to A. See here, B is the cube of A. B is here 2, A is 2. So 2 is not cube of 2. Hence, it do not obey the condition. 3 is not cube of 2. 4 is not cube of 2. 2 is not cube of 3. 3 is not cube of 3. 4 is not cube of 3. 2 is not cube of 4. 3 is not cube of 4. 4 is not cube of 4. So that any ordered pair in the Cartesian product do not obey the condition of the relation R. Hence, this is the empty relation. This is the empty relation. This empty relation is denoted by the symbol phi. So R is equals to phi. So phi means empty relation is the subset of a Cartesian product A cross A. Now moving towards the another type of relation, that is second one, universal relation. When we say that a relation is universal, a relation R in a set A is called universal relation if each element of A is related to every element of A, or that is relation R is equals to A cross A. When R is equals to A cross A, then relation R is the universal relation. Let us consider an example for the universal relation. Let A is equals to 3 5 7. When you write the Cartesian product on the set A, that is a 3 3, 3 5, 3 7, 5 3, 5 5, 5 7, like this. When you write the all the ordered pair, and you get a Cartesian product. Now here we have the relation R. So AB such that A minus B less than 5. So A belongs to A and B belongs to A. So see here, observe which ordered pair obey the condition here. See here, 3 minus 3. So A is 3, B is 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. 0 is less than 5. It obeys the condition. Similarly, 3 minus 5 minus 2. That is minus 2 is less than 5. 3 minus 7, 4 minus 4 less than 5. 5 minus 3, 2 less than 5. 5 minus 5, 0 less than 5. 5 minus 7 minus 2 less than 5. 7 minus 3, 4 less than 5. 7 minus 5, 2 less than 5. 7 minus 7, 0 less than 5. All each and every ordered pair obey the condition, means follow the rule of the relation R. Hence, we have to pick up all the ordered pairs in the relation R. This is the Shet-Wildrer form. This is the roster form. This is the R. Here, all the ordered pairs in relation R taken from the Cartesian product. Hence, all the elements here. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that R is equals to A cross A, Cartesian product. In this condition, we say that the relation is universal relation. So important note here, both the empty relation and the universal relation are sometimes called trivial relations.